Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add Hostinger business email to Gmail. This process is simple and easy. Watch it carefully so you don't miss any step. The first thing is head over to your Hostinger and take a look on the top. You will see multiple options from these. Click on the option Emails. Once you will click on the option Email, below you will see your emails which you have in this website here. Click on the option Manage. After clicking on the option Manage, what you have to do, take a look. On the left side, you will see multiple options from these. You have to select the option Connect Apps and Devices. Once you will click on it, scroll down a bit, and you will see an icon of manual configuration, and below, you will see some protocols. You have to add these in your Gmail. And once these will be added, it will be connected with your Gmail. So the next thing you have to do is simply head over to your Gmail and sign in your account, which you want to connect. Once you do take a look on the light top, you can see a setting icon. Simply click on the setting icon and click on the option See All Setting. Here you will get access to your settings. On the top, you will see a lot of different options. Click on the option Account and Import. After clicking on the option Account and Import, you will see an option of Send Mail. As you will see, an email address is added. Click on the option Add another address, and here you have to enter your address of your Hostinger. So here you can see I add this email address of my Hostinger. Now click on the option Next Setup. After tapping on the option Next Setup, what you need to do here, you have to enter your SM server and below username. And the last one is password. Keep that in mind, you need to enter port as well. So jump back to your Hostinger and here. Scroll down and you can see manual configuration option. And on the second number, SMTF, you have to copy the host name and remember the port after copying the host name. In this pop-up, paste SMTF server. Below, you have to write the username after writing select the port. The port is this now entered with password. After writing everything, click on the option Add Account. Now this has been added and I need to get confirmation from my email address. So now jump back to the Hostinger. Click on the option Email and Account, which is on the left side. Scroll down a bit, and you can see the option of Manage Email Account here. Click on the option Web Email. After clicking on it, you will see our Hostinger mail pop up. Here, click on the option Gmail Team, and confirm this by clicking on this link. A confirmation message will be shown. Click on the option Confirm to confirm it. After it, jump back to your mail and again click on the setting icon and tap on the option See All Setting. Now what we need to do is, here you can see the email address has been added. Here we need to do one more thing. We will add an email account for checking email from other account. So click on it and click Enter your email address and hit Next. After it again. Let it be as it is. You can see it's on the second number and click on the option Next. Here again, do the same thing. Enter your username, password, and be your server and port. We have to copy it from the Hostinger and need to paste it here, so keep that in mind. Both server plus the port. Jump back to your Hostinger and copy the last one. This one is the host name, and you can also read the port. So here paste it and enter report name after it. Click on the option label Incoming Messages, hit Add Account. Now you can see we will jump back to our confirmation page, and that is in our email. Click on the option Gmail Team, and now click on this link and confirm it. After confirming, click on the setting icon, which is on the right top, and hit the icon See All Setting. Now scroll down, and here you can see that has been added. Now if I compose an email address, you can see here you will see my tutorial base online Hostinger site name. So now it's connected, and it was the easy way by which you can do it quickly.